So over here, if I were to go to a particular day and then click on the plus button right here, let's say, for example, this is Carnival Day right here. So I'm just going to go around and say Carnival right here, just like this. And then I can choose the time right here and click on create task, and it actually comes up right here. But let's say this is not a time specific event, but a whole day event. In that case, you can turn this into an all day task as well. So to do that, you can simply go around and click. And while creating event or while editing event, you can see that all day is an option right here. And then you can go ahead and choose the particular day for the all day event. Simply choose that, click on update task, and then it actually comes up to the top, as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here, add in another task on the same day called Food Fest. Let's say, for example, you can choose an icon as you wish as well. So let's just go around and choose this right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this and click on all day and then click on create task. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and choose another icon, and then you can see the all day task right here. You can change it back onto a regular task as well if you want to. And that is how you can go ahead and create an all day task inside of Structured App. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.